A French court has acquitted former IMF chief Dominique Strauss-Kahn of procuring prostitutes for sex parties in France, Belgium, and the US. He stood, alongside 13 co-defendants, charged with aggravated pimping. Mr Strauss-Kahn has always denied knowing that some of the women who took part in orgies he attended were prostitutes. The sexual habits of the former French presidential hopeful were at the center of trial hearings in Lille in February. The verdict brings to a close 4 years of legal proceedings against Mr Strauss-Kahn, including charges of attempted rape which were later dropped in 2012. The chief judge said Mr Strauss-Kahn behaved as a client and had not paid the sex workers he met. He only benefited from others paying them to be present for group parties, the judge added. Among the others acquitted was Belgian brothel owner Dominique Alderweireld, also known as Dodo, who was accused of supplying prostitutes for the parties. During the 3 weeks of hearings in February, sex workers described his rough behavior at some of the parties. But Mr Strauss-Kahn said that he was not on trial for deviant practices. He told the court he participated in the parties because he needed recreational sessions amid one of the world's worst financial crises. The state prosecutor, Frédéric Fevre, had already recommended his acquittal, telling the court that they were working with the penal code, not the moral code. Mr. Fevre also said that neither the investigation nor the evidence in court had established that he was guilty. Earlier, 5 of the 6 plaintiffs in the case dropped their accusations against the 66-year-old. While Mr. Strauss-Kahn has admitted to being present at the orgies, he has always maintained that he did not know that some of the women involved were being paid.